Hello everyone, I'm Shargul and I'm in grade 12 CBSE. Today morning I had my physics practical and in this video I'm going to tell you all about it. Okay, so while preparing for my practical I had made a cheat sheet for my own reference and which helped me in the practical. I'll even post it for you guys on YouTube if the video gets 10 likes, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So throughout my 12th grade, my teachers, the class teacher or chemistry teacher, physics teacher, they all have been scaring us, scaring us that at the board practicals are going to be super hard. You are not going to get enough time, etc. They would make us nervous, tell us that we won't get any help, etc., etc. But it wasn't that hard. So, I performed two experiments and one activity. So in my case, I was lucky to get the experiments that I had mastered. Third, I got conversion of galvanometer to ammeter, and I got finding focal length of convex lens using U and V, or 1 by U and 1 by V. So my practical went good, but during the conversion and I was drawing the circuit diagram, then the internal examiner comes to me and says you need to complete the diagram, you need to complete the calculation first. I was like, okay, then I did the calculation, and while I was doing the calculation, another examiner comes to me and says you need to do the diagram first. And I was so confused, like I was so annoyed, but in the end I somehow managed. I finished the first experiment somehow, and then I went on to the next experiment, focal length. So that also went really good. Good, I did everything perfectly. So I initially I think I did a bit slow. So the ma'am came to me and said that at you need to hurry. You only have 45 minutes left. Then I quickly hurried and asked ma'am how much time I have left. She said 20 minutes. So I did it in 35 minutes. So and in the last activity all I did was just write down what I had written in the journal, because that's what I was supposed to do. I wasn't supposed to perform the experiment, thankfully, because I didn't remember the circuit. It's so yeah, my luck was really great in this practical. Also, in the second experiment, what happened was that I overdid it. So the experiment was finding the focal length using U and V, or 1 by U and 1 by V. But I did both of them. I did U and V also, and I did 1 by U and 1 by V also, which also wasted my time. But thankfully, I didn't draw the graph for it because my teacher told me I don't need to do that. So I overdid it, and my mom was like, "You're gonna get extra marks for that," but I don't think so. Oh. So the main thing is how my viva went. The external examiner came and she asked me questions based on the project file that we had made. So she was taking two vivas at the same time. So there was a girl sitting beside me, and she asked me questions like the principle of electromagnetic induction, or the difference between EMF and potential difference, and the meaning of induction. And since my electrostatics and magnetism is strong, I was able to answer them perfectly. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.